leg lacing variation that I call crotchet lacing, because you create a loop and then you pull the handle through, and it reminds me of crocheting. It's pretty easy, but it requires a handoff, and so you have to do it with both hands. How does it work? Start with the handle here in my right hand, on the piece lily side, guiding the fibers with my left, and very soon I'll switch anyway. So you start with the whip right in front of you, then the guiding hand guides the fibers with a wrist movement in an inwards motion. So you start going under the fibers and then moving your hand towards you until the whip is in a loop around your hand. Then you go over your leg, or you lift your leg. You can go down and you can just lift your leg. I like to lift my leg. And you go down with the hands on both sides. And then under the leg, you do the handoff. So I have my handle just in my fingertips, between thumb and 3 fingers here. So the rest here of the handle is free. And I put it under my leg, and the other hand can grab here. And just pull the handle through the loop. And now on the other hand, same thing. Just start here with this hand now, going under the fibers in an inwards wrist motion until the fibers create a loop around your hand. Then your hands go down on either side of the leg, and you hand off the fiber head and keep balance to the other hand, and pull here through the loop. And then you can start to play with it around which leg you're lacing. If you present the outside of your leg to your audience, or if you present the inside of your leg with this loop and the handle going through, or you can switch and do it always around one leg and play with your leg movement just in a right angle, or you try to lift a straight leg. So any kind of dance movement you can do with this move. So like so, one leg to the other. You can go down in a deep squat and do it here around your legs. So all kinds of variations there. In these variations, I just mirror it between the legs or around one leg, but you can also do it around one leg, and then the next do around your torso. Same thing, do this inwards motion, create this loop, then you go around the torso, hand off behind the back, pull through the loop, and then you're back to where you started, so you can do this in the same direction, using always the same leg. Tangled. Like so. You can get tangled if the handle is sticking out a bit too much and you get caught here on the fibers instead of really pulling through here. You go through with the hand and the handle stays outside of the fibers. That's where it can get stuck. So make sure you take the handle in the hand that it doesn't stick out. That makes it easier to get through. And then for the next round, for the next handoff, you just creep along the handle to make space for the other hand to grab at that point. That's pretty much it. I'd like to see you play with it.